The Canto Fireplace. This wall-mounted flueless gas fireplace screams contemporary, with its glass and straight lines, central decoration and a stainless steel gas insert. It is an attractive and enchanting addition to the dining room, adding atmosphere, warmth and dancing light to every occasion. It is perfect for homes, restaurants and hotels. It comes in black or white. It is available in both manual and remote ignition and variety of sizes. No building work necessary other than your gas line. Just bolt it to the wall and bring your space to life. We recommend that these appliances be installed by a registered LP gas installer, as it requires a fixed gas line. It is not suitable for bedroom or bathroom installations.